if we observe carefully in this logo, you can see some circles are there. So the inside blue circle, and just next to that we have a white circle and 3 other several circles, that is red, yellow and green. So for that we'll need the help of some guidelines. So I'll make a guideline here and fix it to the center. Even from here vertically also fix it to the center. Right after drawing that, I'll select the circle, that's the ellipse tool, and exactly from the center you click the mouse, click here once, press Alt key to maintain the center, and press Shift key to maintain the proportion of the circle. So after doing that, I don't need a stroke line, but what I need is a white color. Now since the background is also white, we cannot see the circle, but the circle is still there. So I'll make a copy of that, bring it exactly to the center, and let's color this one, and also let's make it a bit smaller. After drawing that, we've drawn this blue circle, we've also drawn this white circle. Now after doing that, what we need is the outer circles. So the outer circles, we have 3 circles, that is red, yellow and green. So the red one, I will just make a copy of this, attach it properly to the center, and expand it. So this one should be a red color. Let's change the color to red one. Right click on it, arrange and send it back. So this one is a big one, so I'm going to make it smaller, something like that. Or all together also you can make bigger so that we can edit properly. And after doing that, actually we need 3 circles, that is red, green and yellow. So I'll make a copy of this one, keep it outside, make it yellow in color. I'll make another copy which should be green color. Okay, after doing that, this one, if we observe carefully, there's a line from here to here and from here to here. So for that I'm going to need some more points. So using the direct selection tool, if I click here, there are only 4 points at there, and the straight line should go from here till here. So for that reason, I'm going to make one more point in this area. Click there once. After doing that, since there's a straight line from here to here, I'm going to make use of this particular point here and bring it till here. Okay, but since it's a straight line from here to here, use Alt key in your keyboard, bring this line till the point, and for this one also bring this line till the point using Alt key. And there is another point from here to here, so for that I will make use of this point and bring this point from here to here, and even this line bring it till the point so that it becomes a straight line. And if we zoom more, this point is not exactly fitting into that circle, so I'll bring it a little bit more inside, and even this point I think is properly fixed. So since we can still see some portion of this particular circle, I will use this line to hide it. After hiding that, the next one is a yellowish color, so for that I'll bring this yellow color and fix it exactly to the middle. Okay, after fixing that, right click on it, arrange, send it back. And there is a straight line from here to here, so for that I need a point here in this portion. So I'll make use of the pen tool, click here once so that it adds a point. And after adding that point, we need a straight line from somewhere on from here till here. So for that particular line, I'll bring this one and fix this one here. So this should be a straight line again, so for that I'll use Alt key and make a straight line. This particular line also I'll bring it here and fix it till the point. Now we are done with the yellow one, we are left with green. For green, you bring it exactly to the center again, from for vertical as well as horizontal. so that is exactly in the center. Right click on it, arrange it, and send the back. So that is how you draw a Google Chrome logo in InDesign.